Well, they got the best of the best.
And by anyone's standards, Jay Aubin was the best at whatever he tried, but it was his passion for flying that won his heart.
Even as a young boy, Jay would go to the airport and he'd be 3, 4, 5 years old, and he'd sit on the wheel of a Piper Cub and say, "This is a 1946 Piper J Cub. It has a 65 horsepower Continental motor," just, rattling off these facts and figures that he had memorized because he had heard his dad say it once or twice, So he's just smart as a whip and picked up things quick and always worked hard and tried hard. Just a heck of a guy all the way around, But I think we lost one of our best guys, Definitely.
Jay had not seen his family in Bangs face to face since he'd enlisted in the Marines, but by some wonderful twist of fate, he came to visit them this summer, not knowing it would be their last time together.
I saw our 2 kids for the first time, and we played ball right just down the runway here every night that he was here with his kids. It was good. We teased each other. Wearing glasses. And he was telling me all about having to run every day and stuff, and that how much he enjoyed flying in the Marines. That stuff.
Even though the war claimed his life, Jay's family is almost more insistent upon supporting our troops. They believe Jay Aubin was someone special and that they should share his memory with everyone else.
We'll all get together. He's up there with his grandpa now talking about flying, angles of attack or whatever, Probably his grandpa doesn't understand those rotary wings, But, we're all going to miss him, that's for sure. But he'll be gone, but not forgotten for a long time, at least around these parts.
In Bangs, April Robinson, KTAB News.